I think I just found the best AI tool to generate a marketing video in seconds. This tool lets you turn any product link into a professional video instantly. No editing, no hassle, just one click and you're done. It's called AdsDog.ai. Here's how it works. First, grab a product link from a site like Amazon or Shopify. Then open AdsDog.ai, paste your product link, and click on Parse Link. The AI quickly pulls in all the details, like photos, videos, and key features, saving you time on content creation. If you want to add more, you can manually upload your own photo or video too. Next, choose your target audience from a range of options and hit Next Step. AdsDog's AI will generate 4 script options for you. Pick one and hit Next. You'll get to select an avatar suited to different audiences and product categories for a truly customized video experience. After that, choose your video template, background music, and subtitle style. You can also click on Edit More, and here are tools for easy video customization, featuring text overlays, transitions, and seamless audio integration. When you're ready, click on Generate Video, wait a few moments, and your video is good to go.
No more lukewarm coffee or warm water, just perfect refreshment. With its leak-resistant flip straw, sipping is a breeze. Eco-friendly too, made from recycled fish nets.
You can then download it with a single click. Start your free trial with AdsDog and unlock instant video creation today. Visit adsdog.ai or comment ads, and I'll send you the link.